Good morning, everybody. This morning we study about explanation text. Explanation text that this morning we study about the life cycle of butterfly, definition of explanation text. The explanation text type tells how or why something occurs. It looks at the step rather than the thing. The purpose of explanation text is used to tell how or why something occurs or something happened. The life cycle of butterfly. Let's explore a butterfly life cycle in details, including all 4 stages of life. All butterflies have complete metamorphosis. To grow into an adult, they go through 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Each stage has a different goal. For instance, caterpillars need to eat a lot, and adults need to reproduce. Depending on the type of butterfly, the life cycle of butterfly maybe takes anywhere from a month to whole year. Here is the life cycle of butterfly. Start from butterfly, eggs, caterpillars, and become cocoon, and the last one become a butterfly. The birth stage of the egg. A butterfly starts life as a very small round oval or cylindrical eggs. The coolest thing about butterfly eggs, especially monarch butterfly eggs, is that if you look close enough, you can actually see the tiny caterpillar growing inside of it. Some butterfly eggs may be round, some oval, and maybe rivet, while others may have other features. The egg shape depends on the type of butterfly that laid the egg. Next, butterfly eggs are usually laid on the leaves of plants. So, if you are actively searching for these very tiny eggs, you will have to take some time to examine quite a very few leaves in order to find some. The second stage, the larva or caterpillars, when the eggs finally hatches, most of you will expect for a butterfly to emerge, right? Well, no, exactly. In the butterfly's life cycle, there are 4 stages, and this is only the second stage. Butterfly larvae are actually what we call caterpillars. Caterpillars do not stay in this state for very long, and mostly in this stage, all they do is eat. Caterpillars need to eat and eat so they can grow quickly. When a caterpillar is born, they are extremely small. When they start eating, they instantly start growing and expanding. Their exoskeleton or skin does not stretch or grow. So they grow by molting or shedding the outgrown skin several times while it grows. The third stage of pupa. The pupa stage is one of the coolest stages of butterfly's life. As soon as a caterpillar is done growing and they have reached their full length or weight, they form themselves into a pupa, also known as a chrysalis. From the outside of the pupa, it looks as if the caterpillars may just be resting, but the inside is where all of the action is. Inside of the pupa, the caterpillars is rapidly changing. Now, as most people know, caterpillars are short, stubby, and have no wings at all. Whereas the chrysalis, the old body parts of the caterpillars are undergoing a remarkable transformation, called metamorphosis, to become the beautiful parts that make up the butterfly that will emerge. Tissue, limbs, and organs of caterpillars have all been changing by the time the pupa is finished and is now ready for the final stage of butterfly life cycle. Now the first stage, adult butterfly. Finally, when the caterpillar has done all of its forming and changing inside the pupa, if you are lucky, you will get to see an adult butterfly emerge. When the butterfly first emerged, from the chrysalis, both of the wings are going to be soft and folded against its body. This is because the butterfly had to fit all its new parts inside of the pupa. When it's the first and final stage of their lives, adult butterflies are constantly on the lookout to reproduce, and when a female lays their eggs on some leaves, the butterfly life cycle will start all over. That is all about the life cycle of butterfly in explanation text. Thank you. If you have any question, please ask me.